back. This old MG. Diesel 6. Checking out the old Triumph TR3 back here. The last time we came through, there was a million comments of you guys saying, oh, you missed the 280 Pagoda, or oh, you know, is that a Peugeot 405? So we came back to take a closer look and show you these hidden gems from the abandoned car collection in this old warehouse. It's a 380 SL. This one's sold. This thing. So this is the successor to the 280 Pagoda. Told it's a Morgan +4. Old bicycles here too. So the number to call is 646-504-6060. Last time we came, this thing was tucked away in the corner. What's the scoop of this? You guys know?
1950 Jaguar Mark V.
1950 Jag Mark V. Is it sold?
No.
This thing is freaking cool. Oh yeah? Yeah, they say they're gonna post it up on Bring a Trailer. But it is for sale.
Yeah.
Does it run? Do you know?
I think the motor spins, but we need a few parts.
Motor turns, but it needs a refresh.
Motor out of this car and stick it in this one.
And make one good car out of it
Yeah,
too.
but we don't even have the title for that one, so.
Okay. The Peugeot 405s, 2 of them. I guess the motor's apart on the silver one. They were gonna make one good car out of the 2, but they don't have titles. But you guys could buy these and then go to CaplanCycles.com. We do titling, so give us a call. We can hook it up. We'll run the VINs, make sure everything is on the up and up. You know, you see this a lot with collectors. Title documents are lost, whether they're owned for 30, 40 years. People relocate. They can't locate the titles. We can confirm that they're not stolen, but title documents need to be produced. We can help you down at Kaplan Cycles. Oh, 535 Shark Nose. Oh, MG, sold. Green on green. Ha, pretty sweet. Trav. Oops. It's an auto. I think Senior took one of these on a trade-in on some computers back in the day, like something just like this. And used to play Lil Wayne Got Money and drives to school going a million miles an hour. Whoa. What do we have here? Porsche Targa. Assuming the Porsche is sold. So this is what it looked like when they started clearing this place out. We had a few comments. People were saying, you know, that's nothing. You should have seen it before. But that's what it was before. Completely full. And can you show them that picture of the corner of the warehouse here? This is hoarder status. Completely full. That's neck deep in parts. You see like the BMW over there. That's just buried. This is in this corner over here. So this has been mostly cleared out at this point, which is really interesting because there's still some cool stuff here. You saw the 911 Targa. He had some Pagodas the last time that we were here. Still have some motorcycles of Peugeots. So give these guys a call. There's still some good stuff down here. See you guys in the next one. If you watched this far, go ahead and give it a like, comment, subscribe. Helps support, grow the channel. If you need a motorcycle, a car shipped anywhere in the States, go to kaplancycles.com/logistics. We'll get you a quote, get you dialed in. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.